Good morning, dear students. Let's start our chapter Heat. So far, we have learned about different temperature scales, which are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale, out of which Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are commonly used in most of the parts of the world. And therefore, we'll see what is the difference or the comparison between these two scales, that is Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. Then we'll also see how to solve the numericals which are based on the conversion of temperature into different scales. That is, we have seen two formulas for the conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we'll see how to solve such problems. This picture shows the comparison between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. As you can see clearly, the lower fixed point, that is the freezing point, in case of Celsius scale is 0, while in case of Fahrenheit scale is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The upper fixed point or the boiling point in case of Celsius scale is 100 degrees, whereas in Fahrenheit scale it is 212 degrees. And the normal human body temperature, if measured on Celsius scale, it comes out to be 37 degrees Celsius or 37 degrees centigrade. And when it is measured on Fahrenheit scale, it comes out to be 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So these are the basic differences between Fahrenheit and Celsius scale. We'll see about the difference between these two scales in detail. The differences between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale are, first thing is that it is represented by degree centigrade, degree with capital C, whereas it is represented as degree Fahrenheit, degree with capital F. The lower fixed point in case of Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius, and the lower fixed point in case of Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. The upper fixed point in Celsius scale is 100 degree Celsius. The upper fixed point in Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The interval between the two fixed points is divided into 100 equal parts, and therefore it is also called centigrade. The interval between the two fixed points is divided into 180 equal parts. The average human body temperature, if measured on Celsius scale, it is 37 degrees Celsius, and the average human body temperature measured on Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So we have seen different temperature scales, and we have derived two formulas yesterday. Today we will learn how to convert the temperature from one scale to the other. For this, first we will write two formulas which we have derived yesterday. The first one was C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32, and the second one is F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So these are the two formulas which we are going to use today. The first question which I have taken is to convert 40 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. It means which formula we are going to use? We'll use the formula F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32, because we have to find out F, and the value for C is 40. It becomes 72 plus 32, which is 104. So we can say that 40 degrees Celsius is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. The second example is to convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit into degree centigrade. So for this we'll use the formula C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32, because we have to find out C. 5 by 9 F, the value for F given is minus 40 and minus 32 in bigger bracket. So it will become 5 by 9 minus 40 minus 32 minus 72, minus minus plus. 5 into 8 minus 40 minus 40 degree Celsius. So we can say that minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. So this is our answer. So in this way today we have learned the different scales and the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale and how to convert temperature into different scales. Tomorrow we learn about thermometer and its working. Thank you.